6 Main course trattoria pasta salad with white beans serves 6. Active time, 20 minutes. Total time, 30 minutes. Ingredients, 8 ounces shell-shaped brown rice pasta 1, 15 ounce, can Great Northern beans, drained and rinsed 4 cups arugula 1 small red onion, sliced thinly 1/2 cup chopped roasted red pepper 1/4 cup pitted Kalamata olives, chopped in half, salt, freshly ground black pepper. Instructions, first, cook the pasta al dente in salted water according to the package. Directions, drain in a colander and rinse with cold water, then place in the fridge to cool completely. Once the pasta has cooled, toss all of the ingredients together in a large mixing bowl. Keep chilled until ready to eat. Everyday chickpea quinoa salad serves 4. Active time, 10 minutes. Total time, 10 minutes. Ingredients, 2 cups cooked, cooled quinoas 1 small red onion, sliced thinly 4 cups chopped romaine lettuce 1, 15 ounce, can chickpeas, drained and rinsed. Optional add-ins, roasted garlic, shredded carrot, sprouts, fresh basil. Instructions, in a large mixing bowl, mix all the salad ingredients together. Add the dressing and toss to coat. Keep chilled in a tightly sealed container for up to 3 days. 7 sweet peas and shells Alfredo serves 2 generously or 4 petite. Ingredients, 1/2 pound, 225 grams, fried small pasta shells, regular, whole wheat, or if you're a poor planner, a mix 1 cup, 455 grams, fresh shelled peas, from about 1 pound in the pod, 1 cup, 240 milliliters, heavy cream 3 tablespoons, 40 grams, unsalted butter. Freshly ground black pepper 1 teaspoon. Finely grated fresh lemon zest 1 cup, 115 grams, finely grated Parmesan cheese 2 tablespoons. Chopped fresh flat leaf parsley. Instructions, bring a large pot of salted water to boil. Add the pasta, and cooked according to package instructions. Add peas to cook during the last 30 seconds of pasta cooking time. Reserve 1/2 cup pasta cooking water, and set aside. Drain the pasta and the peas together. Dry out the pasta pot, and pour in the heavy cream. Bring the crème to a simmer, and cook it until slightly reduced, about 4 minutes, stirring frequently. Add the butter, and stir it until it has melted. Generously season the sauce with freshly ground black pepper, add a pinch of salt as well as the lemon zest. Add 3/4 cup of Parmesan, and stir it until the sauce is smooth, then toss in the drained pasta and cook the pasta in sauce for 2 minutes, until the sauce has slightly thickened. Add the reserved pasta water by the spoonful if needed to loosen the sauce. Divide the pasta among bowls. Garnish with remaining Parmesan and the flat leaf parsley.